Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. So I'm back with another video. Today I have something really interesting to show you guys. Now this product over here on my desk is called the Party Starter. It's a special Bluetooth speaker that comes with beautiful LED lighting system to project and create a party environment in your room. This thing is like a mini disco setup for your home. And the best thing is, it costs less than 1000 rupees. I'm quite excited to unbox and check it out. This Party Starter is made by a company called Ion Audio and comes in this sort of box packing. It says Party Starter here, and you can see the speaker through the box. The party speaker has colorful LEDs on it, it's got a rechargeable battery, also has a mic on it, plus this thing is wireless. There's nothing much written on the box, let's get started with the unboxing. The speaker opens up from the bottom, and what is this? Looks like some paperwork. Okay, we'll just come back to that in a moment. First, let's take the Ion speaker out. So here it is guys, the Ion Party Starter. It's a 3-watt Bluetooth speaker with disco lights at the top. It looks quite compact. You've got a dome at the top with a prism-like design. Alright, let me also show you what do we have in that packet. You get a USB cable for charging the speaker and some paperwork. It's a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them. So these were all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the Ion Party Starter. Let me just remove this tape. So the Ion Party Starter has a single 3-watt full range speaker with a passive bass radiator. You've got the Ion branding on the front. The entire body is made of plastic and has a glossy finish on it. Even the top dome is made of plastic. This dome projects pulsating multicolored party lights on your walls and ceilings. You've got the speaker grill here, and it's also on the other side. At the bottom you've got some info regarding the speaker and a rubber foot pad. Now let me show you the control panel. On the front you've got a power button, a volume down and volume up. Beside that you have a switch to toggle the light mode. You have off, demo and on mode. You also have an aux audio in port, a special button to receive incoming calls, a Bluetooth status indicator, a micro USB port for charging the speaker, and a battery level indicator. So these are all the controls and ports on it. Now let's just power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. You need to press the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds. And there you go, the Party Starter has powered on. Whoa, you see that? Now that is what I'm talking about. Let's just switch off all the lights, go in total darkness and see how this thing looks like. So here is our Ion Party Starter Bluetooth speaker. Let me turn it on. Wow, guys, are you seeing this? That is so awesome. The lighting effects look really nice in the dark. Plus the cool thing is, these lights dance to the beats of the music. Just check out this video. The speaker projects RGB lighting on your ceilings and walls, and I'm actually quite surprised by how bright it is. The party lights look amazing. It's definitely a good speaker that puts up a great light show at your home. My living room looks like a mini disco club, and you can also hang it upside down to create a dance floor for your parties. Now talking about the speaker's audio, the audio quality was good, but not the best I've seen in this price range. The mids were crisp, the treble quality was fine, and the bass was also okay. It was not that punchy, but still decent for the size and the price. The overall audio quality was fine. The distortion was low up to 75% volume level, but beyond that you can feel slight distortion in the audio, and the audio output was also satisfactory. It's more than enough for a mid-sized room, and the quality of the mic was also nice. Coming to the battery life was good. On an average I was getting around 7 to 8 hours at 70% volume level, and charging the speaker from 0 to 100 took about 1.5 hours. So that was my review on the Ion Audio's Party Starter. It's an awesome product, especially love the party lighting effects. The sound quality of the speaker was also okay, but I felt it could have been better. Again, considering the price of this product, it was offering more than what you're paying. It costs only about 990 rupees. I'll just leave links to that in the description box below. You can get it from there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.